70 mile an hour. That's quick.
Yeah.
Love the Corvette. C-Fly Corvette. 2004 Corvette. Last of the hideaway headlight. Love it.
Updated voter rolls and partisan observers should be able to observe up close and personal the count start to finish. Not that hard to figure out.
I was supposed to go in between lanes.
These are simple things.
My favorite thing about this car, right there. Pop-up headlights. I love pop-up headlights.
So this is the bang I heard. Oh, okay.
Oh boy. What the hell happened over here?
What?
Oh, it is. Tesla's involved.
No, no.
Hell, the Tesla's got tore all hell up there in the back there. Oh, and look at that SUV. And look at that pickup truck. Oh boy. Yeah, the poor Tesla.
I thought they were the safest.
Well, he was the one in front, so it wasn't his fault.
Oh, yeah.
They hit him from behind. Yeah, I'd stay away from that Tesla. That's the bad news bear Tesla. No license plate, all tore up in the back.
He is going 90.
I don't know, but that's why you got to be looking forward.
That's what I was doing. See that?
I was not looking forward, I was looking out the side, but I'm not driving either. Always be looking forward. 7,000, I bought it. I didn't remember. I
How long did we had it?
I had it for a few years. What's that guy doing? He's not supposed to be going straight. He was supposed to turn.
Yeah.
Oh, Orange Man bad. Gotcha. Okay.
You're supposed to turn right there, fool. You're supposed to turn right.
They can do. Or they can do this, like Anna Navarro. What she does is, she doesn't have the tax on her side.
I was watching him out.
But
So
on
I
the
see
view today,
him sitting there and he
she says
never
that-
turned right. I knew that was going to happen. I haven't been in this shopping center area in years. I think you got the right of way. Well, that guy's supposed to turn right. He turned left. He was supposed to turn right out. Thanks for not hitting him.
That was
Even
wondering,
though-
it was
even
getting
though-
a little trimmed.
Yeah, it was definitely getting a little cramped.
Getting a little trimmed, trying to turn.
Because I looked down to see which way the arrow was painted. It was painted to the right only. Wow. Yeah. Come on, baby. There's a policeman right ahead of you. Yeah. Yeah, you're going to slow down quick, aren't you? Uh-huh. Good job. That guy might have run a red light. What the hell?
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Daggett Street.
Ooh, good job there, buddy.
Don't wanna say it, but I love it when you hurt me.
your love, 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 love. Need your love, love, love. Need your love, need your love, need your love, need your love.
Don't wanna say it, but I love it when you hurt me. Don't ever change it, 'cause I love it when you hurt me. Don't think I'd make it if you ever did desert me. I know I shouldn't, but I love it when you hurt me. I think about it all day, even when I'm sleeping. It's been a long time, but you always got me feeling. I'm like an animal and you know how to turn me. Don't wanna say it, but I love it when you hurt me. Love, 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 need your love, 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 need your love, love. I know I shouldn't, but I love it when you hurt me. I think about it all day, even when I'm sleeping. It's been a long time, but you always got me feeling. I'm like an animal and you know how to turn me. Don't wanna say it, but I love it when you hurt me. Love, 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 need your love, 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 need your love, 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 need your love, love, love. Love, 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 need your love, 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 need your love. Don't wanna say it, but I love it when you hurt me. Don't wanna say it, but I love it when you hurt me.
My goodness.
Come on, baby, go get him, go get him. Where are you gonna go now? There's a traffic jam ahead of you. Go, go, baby, go. Oh, you're going over there now. Oh, now, oh man, that guy's driving crazy. All that to get off here, that's at 4-8.
I'm gonna move into tequila for just a little bit. It'd be National Tequila Day. And
What the hell is he
I know
doing?
those days are crap because they just make them up or throw them.
What the hell
on
is
the
that
New
big
York Times
18-wheeler
or
doing?
anything. But I figured, I'm a real fan of tequila.
There's no lane there.
New housing, homeless units, to get our unhoused Angelina roof over their head by the year 2025.
Okay, buddy, good deal.
Resources for permanent forest.
Now, on some more or less related issues, the report came out. If you listen to the mainstream media, in Florida and Georgia are hotbeds.
He's gonna go his own way. I guess nobody wants to get in his way.
The most
I was watching, I was like, wait a minute, I got to turn. I don't know about this guy.
Sponsored by Albertsons and Bond. I'm Joe Eager. Covo's next real-time traffic at
Whoa, what I got doing?
Albertsons
That ain't
and
in
Bond
that.
are committed to fighting hunger.
You can go now. What this guy doing? Trying to make a U-turn right here.
Well, that's very small.
When they cook the hot dogs.
Yeah, I think we're okay. What is he doing?
What's that guy doing?
I thought you were gonna go straight. That boy.
Of course, everyone's going to be like,
What he's doing there?
racism's back. We all agree. Well, yeah, but everyone's racist. That's why
What's this guy doing?
nurses are resistant. So now we're going to ensure the government, public health department, and put up billboards saying that black women should be very worried that.
Don't wanna say it, but I love it when you hurt me. Don't ever change it, cause I love it when you hurt me. Don't think I'd make it if you ever did desert me. I know I shouldn't, but I love it when you hurt me. I think about it all day, even when I'm sleeping. It's been a long time, but you always got me feeling. I'm like an animal and you know how to turn me. Don't wanna say it, but I love it when you hurt me. Love, 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 need your love, 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 need your love, 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 need your love, 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 love,